We did it! After travelling Australia for the past 5 years in our 1962 Kombi and caravan, we have finally made the leap. Packed up everything and shipped it all over to my home country of New Zealand. We want to teach our children all about their heritage, explore breathtaking landscapes, and discover local ingredients to create delicious meals that feature in my cookbook, which encompasses everything from travelling to outdoor cooking. So come join us on this epic adventure. Beyond the places and past all the pretty views, we as a family find joy in being open to living outside of four walls. We love watching the fading light of the day disappear while we are cosily wrapped around the fire, sharing stories and dreaming of new places to explore. It all started 5 years ago with an old Kombi and a burning desire to live a simple and very purposeful life. To give our children a healthy lifestyle outdoors and to educate them on different cultures, to always be open to meeting new people from many walks of life. These fleeting moments, they pass us by so quickly, and as parents we wish for time to slow down, to enjoy them just that little bit more. We believe this journey is shaping our little people and grounding them, driving them to care for places that they've stood and admired and to take chances, build a life they will love, and to teach them to always fuel their curiosity.
Pull over here, let's get some rest. A big day ahead of us. Your seeds work like depth. My child, don't make a sound. It's time to sleep now. I give it all to you. I give it all to you. I give it all to you. Give it all to you. My girl is a fortress so proud, and she's not coming out. I give it all to you. I give it all to you. I give it all to you. Give it all.
Beautiful piece of salmon, so I guess that the hero piece is definitely going to be this yummy alpine salmon that's throughout it. Semi-plateless. We like to have as much as we can without plates, but you're not really going to dirty your plate. As a family, we like to embody slow, not only as the way we like to travel, but also we like to think of it with our food. We like to use it as an acronym: seasonal, local, organic and whole. We embody it in every way of life, especially when we are trying to get places in our Kombi. It's very slow. We spend a lot of time researching areas to make sure that we are picking up the best produce possible that has been, locally and organically grown. Anytime that we're somewhere where
we can pick up some local ingredients, we definitely jump to that. We're pretty lucky where we are here right now. There are markets everywhere, there are roadside stalls, and we've most recently found a really good farm that also has organic produce. They don't spray anything, and yeah, it's been such a win for us, and we try and do that as much as we can while we're travelling as well. Right, we're at the Royal Burn Farm Shop. We're going to pick up some fresh, local, organic produce while we're here to take on our trip for the next few days. This is a beautiful farm shop.
Thank you.
Where do you source all your...
This all comes straight from the farm. Well, all of the market garden vegetables, like these beautiful pumpkins over here, our free-range pasture-raised eggs, our honey, our sunflower oil, our meat, all comes straight from our farm, and that is just 10 minutes up the zigzags.
Amazing. Alright, so we picked up some beautiful fresh organic tomatoes, and we also grabbed some meat for our camping tonight. We are going to plan to make some meatballs around the fire, which is just going to be perfect. It's going to be a little bit chilly, and we're going to have a really nice time around the fire.
Hello, can you hear me where you are?
So over the years I was very lucky to have a father for a chef, and I think that's where my knife work started. For many years I used to get the job of teaching his brand new apprentice how to cut an onion. And that used to excite me, like being able to give information to people was something that, you know, like something I was passionate about, I was able to share with somebody else who was also passionate about, but just really ready to learn. From there, I found many dishes while we were traveling that I picked up along the way and learned about myself, and then brought them back to the campfire with a bunch of other travellers, and you know, we would share these meals together, and they would be curious about how on earth I was, you know, putting these ingredients together. And I love that aspect of showing somebody to change a dish that they might have always made. I just like that people are always willing to taste something different as well.
And I can see your dark. Goodbye. There's a parking lots in town. To fear all the doubts. Goodbye, lost. Hello, found. Goodbye, lost. Hello, found.
It seems to be the perfect morning for breakfast tacos. I really don't think there's too many people out there that will turn their nose up to Mexican. I thought I would create my own style of taco. And it's pretty simple. I've just been carrying around fresh chorizo, and then I just take them out of their skin, break them up in a pan, and then you can just chuck in whatever you like. But we're gonna go with onions and tomatoes. Looking good. I've just rubbed the peppers and all the skin flakes off, and then dice them and pop them through there. Now now I've got like my own chipotle, which is just literally chipotle peppers blended with some water and lime. And we're gonna crack out eggs straight in. My home of New Zealand, a place of mountainous ranges that fall into the sea and where sustainable living is encouraged. It is a place where I find comfort and healing and where my heart feels full. I grew up here with my papa and my nanny, surrounded by Māori traditions. We have now brought our children here to connect with their whenua, their land. Spending time with my family is so important to us, to teach them the importance of their footprint and to practice old traditions that have been passed through generations. As Māori people, we believe we are the kaitaki, the guardians of the land. I now want to show our children the importance of mindful living so they can care for it and enjoy it for generations to come. I find joy in feeding people. That's like the bottom line. I really enjoy people sitting around and having a good meal and having full tummies. I think that it's something special. It's definitely my love language, so often I find if I'm really wanting to tell someone I love them, then I'll make them a delicious meal. Food also for me is my expression. It's how I express myself, and it's also my meditation. It's a place where I find calm. It's where I turn to. I really do love cooking up a really good meal.